Welcome, wrestling fans, to World League Wrestling.
You're witnessing Night of Champions 1, the biggest night of the entire year for us here at World League Wrestling. It doesn't get much bigger than this. I have goosebumps watching this. Ric Flair heading down to the ring with Harley Race, both Hall of Famers.
16-time World Heavyweight Champion, the only two-time WWE Hall of Famer.
What a majestic moment this is for everybody in attendance.
Two icons of the game right there, Ric Flair and the man, Harley Race.
The best. The best.